on today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
So you're thinking about putting a manufactured home down on a piece of property you bought in Florida? So the whole reason I'm doing this video today is because when I purchased this home, I had no idea what it would take to get these two huge boxes into an area, and I'm on a bad road, pull them in, bolt them together, and do the complete setup. So if you're curious too of how long it takes to get this thing set up, follow along.
Myself to see this clear as this.
They're here already. I better get over there. Well, they're gonna go for it, huh? No, that's mine.
Oh, yours?
You guys are nice and early, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the other one should be coming in like the next 20 minutes.
Didn't even get to set up my thing yet. Better do that now. Oh, here it comes. All right.
Stand that tree back up for you.
Oh yeah.
If he's not, it might not die. It might grow that way. But
I could pull it back up.
Think so?
Yeah. Well, I got a loader.
Okay.
You know, I got a small tractor with a load on it.
When I first started, man, I go home at night.
There it is, boys. My axle's taking some stress. It's a big unit to pull down a road. 16 foot wide and 54 foot long. And the other one's right behind it. There's the other one. We're in a drought here. That's why it's so dusty.
How you doing?
Good. What, it hit the dirt on the way in? Oh shit. Oh shit. I can bring some huge tie wraps And a drill. He's got something too?
He got his truck.
That work? Just enough to fit. Perfect.
Well, look at that.
Looks good.
I can tweak it a little bit if you want, or
What do you think? Good? Yeah, alright, it's good. Yeah, I got. Looks good. Break into my own house. This one's sprung.
Boy, this is some room. I can't believe look at the storage you got.
I know. And this too.
Oh, shit. So you just need the washing machine?
Washer and dryer. Wow, it's so bright.
Jeez.
One of these come off.
A lot of closets too.
Huh.
Oh, good. You got a refrigerator freezer. Look at this. That's
Yeah.
a big one.
They're gonna have to replace that whole panel.
Yeah.
3/8 sheetrock. Yeah, see, they use 2x4s.
Yeah.
Even the walls are 2x4s.
Yeah, good.
So this popped off. That's what was holding it. But they gotta fix that. Whoever cut that hole went too big. I don't dare even open it yet. But it comes with all the curtains and the hanging drapes.
Well, this is nice.
Yeah, it's a nice refrigerator.
Damn.
Should be plenty of kitchen space. Here's all the paperwork.
And it's strong.
Stainless, yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a dishwasher. Even this tried to come apart. Well, I got up to 3 months to turn it in, so I got to take a picture, or not a picture, but I'll take a picture, and then you got to give a whole list, and then they come and fix everything.
Oh, that's okay.
He says don't tell them now, because they only come out once.
Oh, okay.
All this fell off, too. You'd think they do a little better than that for adhesive, but it is what it is. This is coming off already, look. That didn't. They probably spread that right. Well, it looks like everything else is right. I wonder what they did with those drawers. And then from there over is all living room. The whole thing's wide. See, they put like a strip of glue.
Is that wire type nail?
Yeah, they put enough in there. It's just I think the penetration was too deep. It went right through everything. Because this all gets molded.
Yeah.
And another piece. Where the hell did... Oh, maybe here. That's where they go.
Outside thing? You know that?
Yeah.
It's an outside vent.
It's supposed to. And the hot water heater's in here. This door didn't seem to do any damage. A little bit there, that's just touch up.
Is Granny spry?
I'm still spry. I can't believe it.
Are you spry? Let me fix you some sandwiches.
Yeah, it's good. It's screwed in. Got it.
Yeah, I didn't trust that. I felt it loose. Look at all the stuff they got to put back on the sides.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.